Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany, and today we're going to plan out the week of April 25th through May the 1st. So I'm going to lay this kit down, but I'm just going to speed through it. I don't know, I don't really feel like doing a talk through. My kids are home upstairs. My uncle passed away this past weekend, so I don't know, I just kind of want to get this done and move on with next week. So we do have a couple games going on, I think on Tuesday and Wednesday. My husband's birthday is on Monday. But besides that, it is same old, same old. So I hope you guys have a great week. Launch is on the 25th if you guys are ordering Erin Condren planners. So don't forget that. Simply Smith Stickers is doing a lot of sheets for the launch day, so some special sheets, special sheets for the daily duo, that extra page. She's got some good ideas there, so don't forget to check out her shop. And that's about it. Let's go ahead and get into the planning. I hope you guys have a great week, and I will see you next week. I just realized that I didn't even show you the kit I was using. So this kit is from Simply Smith Stickers. So I obviously have the glitter headers, the little icons here, the appointment labels, all of the sidebar stickers, an extra set of date headers, this bottom washi here, and we have the sampler page, the thick and thin washi. So the reason I picked this kit is because it is my husband's birthday and his favorite color is orange. So yes, it's florally, but it's still orange. And don't mind my finger. I was at a client's house and they decided to have me do dishes right after I got my nails done. So it's a whole thing. But you know, welcome to my life. All right, back to the planning.